7 best Black Friday Cyber Monday emails I received this year so far. Hi, this is Henry, the founder of email marketing agency as well as this YouTube channel. In today's video, I would like to go over 7 best emails I received in my mailbox so far this year. And one of them, I extremely love it and adore it. It's a perfectly designed email, very dynamic, playful, and I totally love it. So just stay tuned and I'll tell you which one I love the best. So the first brand is, of course, Kachava. I spoke about Kachava so many times, and they have amazing creative email marketing team, and they do amazing email design. So let's check it out. So this is the email I received Monday ago. So actually Monday yesterday, and I love, so their email, if you're not familiar with their email, it's like beige color, but this is black. So which breaks the pattern and stops you to think, oh, hold on, it's Kachava, but they are black, like black color, stop. So it's break the pattern. So this is kind of thing number one that I would strongly recommend. If you use specific color for your emails, try to do something different for holiday promotion like Black Friday. So they use strategies that I covered in the book. The strategy I use in the books where you have to sign up for early access. And by the way, I did not come up with the strategy, and I learned it from Ezra Firestone, from Smart Marketer. I'm not sure if he created himself or he learned from somebody else, but I learned it from him. I covered in the strategy in the book, but the quick summary is you are sending email to your subscribers for them to opt in for earlier bird to see who is interested in your deals earlier, and in return you will offer something extra, maybe early access or higher discount. So Kachava use that method. As you can see, when you click, it redirects you to the landing page where you want to sign up. And this is another great way, because you signing up not for emails, not leaving their emails, but phone numbers where they can contact you faster. So I will type in my phone number and thank you. So which is perfect. Okay, next brand is called Balsam Hill. I personally believe the top of the email is a little bit busy, but I like how they did it here, the green, because again, first of all, the huge discount, 50%. Yes, I read that it's up to, it can be 5, but it caught my attention as like 50, like wow, it's a huge discount. 50, it's a lot. Second thing, their brand use mostly red color, but in this scenario they use green, what caught my attention as well. So again, they use similar tactics as Kachava did in terms of colors, but here they throw you the huge number, and you know it's a really Black Friday deal. It's not like 5% off or something. The third brand, which we recently covered as well, called AsWeMove. It's a men's underwear, and here they use the same strategy to get early access as Kachava did, and they also asking you for phone numbers. As you can see, it's a trend, kind of new trend, to ask for phone number instead of email, which is great because you have email, you have a phone number, and if they unsubscribe from the emails, you can send them SMS. One thing what I would improve in this email, they are black kind of their brand is like all on black. So I would recommend for this brand to change the color, to break the pattern, because when I scroll through my email, like I might not notice this. Okay, another brand is called Polish Pop. Again, the same team. As you can see, it's a kind of pattern, like the pattern between brands which do it the right way. They also incorporate black for Black Friday, and their typical color are mostly like pink, pinkish, red, like those kind of theme. But here they have black, and I like how the black, it's not like the entire email black, it's like insert in black, and it's also bigger discount, like 30%, which is a decent discount, and with a big title, it's like Black Friday sale, so it's hard to miss. The next brand is unexpected. I did not expect to add to my list, but it's a simple email, and I like simplicity of that email. So it's from ConEdison. If you're not from New York area, ConEdison is a company which provides electricity to people who live in New York City. And they have a marketplace where they sell efficient things for your house, like efficient thermostats, bulbs, and so forth. And this is it's again very simple email, but I like simplicity of it. I like how they have a like simple gift sale, but it's like Black Friday sale. It's really big. New offer added. One thing which I would add here, I don't understand what is the offer is. So as low as 39. So I'm not sure is how much did it cost before. So that thing would help me. If I see that it costs $150 and now it's $39, it's like, oh, let me buy it, because sometimes maybe we don't need it, but it's like 3 times cheaper. So let me buy it. So yeah, very simple email, but do the job. So now I show you the best email that I like so far that I received. It's from jewelry brand called Satya, I think it's how they pronounce it. But basically I like how they do the countdown, and they kind of spark curiosity, and then the biggest sale is coming. So it's like in the movies. It's not complicated. It's you just have a logo, you have a gift, but extremely well designed email. I mean, like everything is image based, so I would recommend to this client to do text based for this blog, because there's no reason to do it as image. Nothing crazy, and get on the list, and probably again, yeah, email and phone number, which is early sign up VIP. So this is common strategy, as you can see, but I like the top part a lot. So this is very cool Black Friday Cyber Monday email. And the last but not least is a Solo Stove. By the way, I just recently become their like customer as well. So we bought this Solo Stove for our backyard. We have a tiny backyard, but my kids enjoy marshmallows, so I bought it on a sale, and we have a big, not big, but this size fire pit now, and I enjoy their product. So they sent this email 9 days ago. It does not stand out from their different emails, but I like their offers. Beat the rush up to 45 off site-wide. So the discount is big, 45%. Personally, I don't know how I feel, like if it's good or bad, because it's big, but it doesn't click with me. So I would rather do maybe 50%, because 50% is like a lot. 45, it's not as much yet. So it's a mind game, but just providing my feedback. And simple design, Black Friday early deals, lowest price of the year starts now. And as you can see, so I like this lifestyle email, but for Black Friday, maybe I'll incorporate the season of the year, unless you live somewhere in Florida. Yeah, but this is the email I like. Let me know which email did you like the best. Provide your comments, and also if there are any other brands I should follow to receive their emails, or maybe you received already their Black Friday Cyber Monday email, so please comment below and let me know, because I would like to sign up for that brand as well and learn it from them. Thank you, and see you next Thursday. Bye.